Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you guys how we make Sombi or Senegalese rice pudding. So first I have some rice just soaking in my bowl, and now I have my 4 cups of milk warming up on the stove. And you don't want this to like boil to the point where you start to get that sticky, gooey, yucky mess on the bottom. You just sort of want to keep on stirring this at like a higher heat, but not so high that you can't control what's, you don't want none of that sticking on the bottom. I just don't like that. That's just my personal preference, okay? So now I'm gonna add some salt and just look at what I'm doing, just a little bit, and we're just gonna dump it right in there. And now we're gonna wash our rice. So I have my jasmine rice and I had the soaking. So now I'm just gonna rinse out, dump that water out. Nothing too complicated. Use a strainer or something so you catch every bit of that rice in there, and just set that aside. So over here my milk is still going, and I'm just gonna grate some nutmeg. Make sure you use freshly grated nutmeg. You will thank me later for the flavor factor, okay? So once I have my nutmeg in there, now I'm gonna add my rice, and we're just gonna stir just a little bit just to sort of break things up in there, just to make sure you don't get any of those clumps. Not that it's gonna matter, it's turning into pudding anyway, but you just want to make sure you keep stirring it in there, just stir, baby, stir. And now continue cooking this like uncovered for like 5 minutes, and you can see where the milk is sort of starting to thicken up, and this is like perfect. This is exactly what you want. And now we're actually going to cover this up and let this continue cooking. You don't want to cover it all the way up because remember, you're working with dairy, so you don't want that messy, yucky overflow that nobody wants to clean up. Okay y'all, so after the 20 minutes, this is what it looks like. Your rice is cooked, but now we're not quite done yet. We're gonna start adding things up in there just to really jazz it up. And now I'm gonna add some sugar. You've got to have sugar, honey. It's gotta be a little bit sweet. And now I'm gonna add my vanilla extract, and this is just what I like to do. I like to do a couple dabs over here and there. I think it gives it a great flavor, okay? And I'm gonna add some powdered milk. You can use, if you can get some nido, girl, get your life with this, or Carnation makes a powdered milk. It's really good. But then I'm also gonna add some regular Carnation milk in there, and I'm gonna write all of the measurements in the description box, so don't you go asking me how much of stuff I use. Check in the description box, it will be there, okay? And we're just gonna stir this up, and you're pretty much done. You can totally have fun plating this, you guys. You can put sour cream, but you know what's really good, you guys? Oh my gosh, if you get some Laughing Cow cheese, okay? The Laughing Cow cheese, the little wedges, and you put it right there in the center. Ooh, baby, I tell you, it is good. So anyway, I'm putting like cinnamon sticks, some strawberries. These are just the things that I had on there. Basic. And you can add like little few slices of peaches, and make it look pretty, you guys. It's delicious. It's a great dessert. It's also a great snack. So enjoy. And I thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.